Welcome back to the Nightcap. Go ahead and share this and subscribe yourself so you too can continue to make better than average drinks in less than average time. Today we'll be making the whiskey sweet sweet. That's 2 ounces of whiskey. We're going to go with the Crown Royal today. Then we'll hit it with 3 ounces of pineapple juice, 4 ounces of lemonade. Shake it up, and then we're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and make this. There's already ice in here. We're going to build it in the shaker. So we're going to get 2 ounces of the Crown Royal poured in here. So go ahead and measure that out and pour it down on the ice. Next, we'll go ahead and throw in the other stuff. So we got already pre-measured 3 ounces of pineapple juice and 4 ounces of lemonade. So we'll go ahead and put the cap on there and give this a shake. Okay, put that to the side, pour it over our iced sphere in a nightcap glass, and you've got yourself a whiskey sweet sweet. She's a Butte Clark. Cheers.